That's lane assist. I am speeding at 130 kilometers, 75 miles. Very nice song. Black Lagoon, Steel Corners. I have to touch the steering wheel. It's very comfortable, optional if you do a lot of kilometers a year. I'm doing 40k kilometers per year, so with the adaptive cruise control and the automatic gearbox, it's very comfortable. Okay, now some turns are coming. It doesn't work. It doesn't work always. Sometimes it starts doing the turn and then it drifts, so you have to be careful. But in gentle curves that are not very that do not turn out a lot, it works quite well. Also, the blind spot assist, now the car will decelerate automatically due to the adaptive cruise control, because we are getting close to the car in front of us. Now we are 110, slowing down. Okay, I have to touch the wheel again. The limit has been increased to 1 minute. Usually it's 15 seconds. Also, the new control units for the blind spot seems to be working. I have not received any calibration error after almost 150 kilometers. When I set up them for the first time, they worked, but after 40 kilometers, they started to raise calibration errors. Now they seem to be fine. I can show you, however, they are working because no one is overtaking me. Maybe now? No, now. Okay. There was just one issue, that the light on the mirrors, because they are Chinese mirrors, not the original ones, is not so bright with these control units. I have to buy the original ones. Probably there is a different resistors, and in the data set also there is some parameters which tells you how much should be the resistance. Okay. Okay. Maybe I will show also a demo when there is also nice weather. I strongly advise these two options.